a red blouse and a cream-colored polo shirt, seemingly innocuous items in any wardrobe, but now singled out in a case against the son of ex-CAG chairman Liew Mun Leong. Karl Liew was charged today with lying to authorities about these pieces of clothing and more than 100 others. The accusations arise from his testimonies during the earlier theft trial of his family's former maid, Parti Liyani. He was one of the main witnesses who testified in a case against his family's former helper, Ms. Parti Liyani, and they accused her of stealing more than $30,000 worth of items. The High Court acquitted Ms. Parti, overturning the lower court's conviction and sentence of 26 months jail. Karl's case follows Law and Home Affairs Minister K. Shanmugam's ministerial statement in Parliament on Wednesday. He said the Liews had no unique influence over investigations of Ms. Parti. The charges result from further investigations by authorities into whether the Liew family had committed any offence. If found guilty, Karl Liew faces a fine or a jail term of up to 3 years, or both for lying to the police officer, and a jail term of up to 7 years or a fine or both for lying to the court.
Earlier this morning, we saw Karl Liew enter the court with a woman. His lawyers, including Mr. Adam Maniam, are from one of Singapore's biggest law firms. They entered the court separately. His case was the first to be mentioned in the charging court today. His lawyers had asked for time to write to the prosecution, as the matters had happened some time ago in December 2016 and in July 2018. Court documents show he's being charged for lying in his statements to the police when he claimed ownership over 100 pieces of clothing found in boxes that Ms. Parti had packed when she was terminated. He's also being charged for lying in judicial proceedings when he told the court during trial that a cream polo shirt and a red blouse belonged to him. The High Court judgment showed he admitted they didn't belong to him when confronted with the physical items and agreed they were women's clothing. Karl will next appear in court on 17 December. He's now out on bail of $15,000. The prosecution said that it was wrongly reflected as $30,000 in an online system previously. As the accused was walking out of court, he was seen to be walking slowly and with a limp. His lawyers had escorted him before he entered a BMW with a woman who first accompanied him.